Welcome friend to our YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner. So guys, today we are having another question and that is very interesting as well. So here the question we are having that is Ali gives half of his cash reserve to his wife, one half of the remaining to his son and 1/3 of the remaining to his daughter. If his daughter's share is rupees 12,500, then the total cash reserved with Ali were. So the first thing which we have to do, we have to find out the total cash reserved by Ali. So here we take that is, let the cash reserved be that is X. So this is the total amount of Ali. So from the reserved cash, he gave half of the money to his wife. So here we get, after giving half, and that is 1/2 to his wife. So how much it becomes? From the total reserve, that is X. So this is the total reserve and this is half of the money to his wife. So here we minus half of the money from the cash reserve, from the total money, and this becomes how much? This becomes, so here we are having 2, so it multiplies upon the above digit, that is 2x. So this becomes 2x minus 1. So this is also x. So this is the half of the cash reserve. So here we get the answer, that is upon 2. So this is 1x. So this becomes, that is 1.5 x. So hope till here you have understood the question. So now we are having this portion and this is now the remaining balance. So this is now remaining cash. So if you see from the total cash, if we have minused the half cashed, we got how much? The remaining, that is half. Now it becomes 50-50, you can say it. So this is the remaining cash. I hope till here you have understood. Now in the next part it is saying that one half of the remaining. So one half. So what will be the one half of the remaining? We have to find out. So here we get half of the remaining. Half of the remaining. So how much will be the half of the remaining? So we have to find out, that is how much? Half multiply half of the remaining. So this is the remaining on 2x, and here we get, that is 1/4x. So this is the half. So now how much the balance is remain? So we are just taking out 1/4. So we have just multiplied half and we got this, and we are now taking out the share of his son. So how much the remaining will become? So now the remaining balance becomes how much? So from the remaining balance, that is 1/2x, we take out the share of the son. So how much that is? 1/4x, and this becomes how much? Here we take 4. So here 4 divided by 2, it becomes 2. So here we get 2x minus x, and this becomes how much? This becomes 1/4 x. So now we are having the amount remaining, that is 1 upon 4. So this is now remaining. We have taken out the share of the wives as well as the share of the son. Now in the question you can also see it above. It is saying that 1/3 of the remaining to his daughter. So now what is the 1/3 of the remaining? So here 1/3 of the remaining, how much it becomes? So 1/3 of the remaining. Now this is the remaining balance. So here we take 1/4 x. So x is for the balance. So here we get that is 1 upon 12 x. So this is 1/3 of the remaining balance. So how much now balance will be remain if we take half? So here we get that is balance remained so how much it will become? So here we take from the remaining balance 1 upon 4x and we take out the share of our daughter. So this is daughter's share. You can also take out this. So this is the daughter's share. So we have just taken 1/3 of the remaining and we minus it with the remaining balance. So how much it becomes? It becomes 12. So here we have just taken the LCM and this becomes 12. So 12 divided by 4, we get the answer that is 3, and this becomes 3x, and 12 cancel with each other and we get the answer that is x. And now we are having that is 2 upon 12, that is x. Now this amount is remain from the whole cash reserve. So 2 ones are 2 6. So here we got the answer that is 1 upon 6x. Now this is the share of the daughter. So how much the daughter's share in the amount in the digit was? That was 12,500. You can see it in the above, an arrow type on the above question, and that is 12,500. So this is x. So we are here just to find out the total reserve of Ali, and we have just taken let the cash reserve, that is x, and this is the total cash. Hope you have understood it. So here that becomes x is equal to 12,500 multiplied by 6, and after multiplying it we get, so how much it becomes? So let multiply it. So here we get 0 0 and 0 3 5 1, and this becomes 75. So here we are having the value of x, that is 75,000. So the total cash reserve, so total reserved cash, that is 7,500, and this is our answer. So this is one method, and we are also having its shortcut method. So if you want to find out its shortcut method, then how to find the shortcut method? So here we are having that is half for wife. So it's shortcut method. Let's find out the shortcut method. So shortcut method for the same question. So you can take the shortcut method mostly if you are attempting the competitive exam, just to save your time. So this was just for understanding. And now if you want that how much you can take, that is half for the y. So from 1 we minus half. I hope you are getting. Multiply, and now if you can see for his son, that is also half. So here from 1 we minus half again, multiply, and 1/3 for daughter, and this was the daughter's share. So here we minus 1 minus 1 upon 3. So after solving this, we get 2 minus 1 upon 2 multiply by 2 minus 1 upon 2 multiply 3 minus 1 upon 3. So here we get, that is 1 upon 2 multiply by 1 upon 2 multiply by 2 upon 3. So here 2 cancels with each other, and the next thing that we get here, that is 1 upon 6. So this 1 upon 6 is the same thing which we have got here, that is the daughter's share, and this is equal to 12,500. Hope you have got understood. So here this is x, this is, we have just supposed the total share, and this is how much? 12,500. So this was the share of the daughter, and now the same thing which we have to do, that is x is equal to 12,500 multiplied by 6, and here also we get the answer, that is 75,000. I hope you have understood the shortcut method as well. So thank you very much.